Today, Greg and I will be exploring this crumbling, abandoned factory that used to be I don't know, it probably did something, man. With crumbling floors and a collapsed roof, this was one of our most dangerous adventures yet. Some parts of the building were unfortunately inaccessible, but we still ran into quite a few surprises. This is Urban Exploration with Scott's Adventures.
Let's get in here quickly, okay? Because we're obviously very visible right now. Alright, but let's get in here. So, there's snow prints, which tells me that people have been here in the past few days.
What?
People have been here.
Yeah.
Very recently.
Shirts, sweaters, bottles, human remains? Enslave the farmers, grill the children, traffic your daughters. I am the American
Dream.
dad? Dream?
Debt equals slavery. Isn't it enough?
No, it's not. Rot. We got rot.
Yeah, this ceiling's all falling through right now. I wouldn't step on this.
Yeah.
Especially since it's wood.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh my gosh. That's a reference to a show you don't know.
Slippery.
Wow, that's actually pretty cool.
I've never done a slide into an abandoned building. Alright, but here we are. Have you seen Poltergeist?
Huh?
Poltergeist, the movie.
I have not. I don't do so good with paranormal movies. They freak me out.
Get
The
scared.
only horror movies that actually scare me. These stairs look safe. Don't.
Maybe find another staircase.
Yeah.
Unless that's the only one.
It might be the only one. Then we can try it, but
See this?
I don't trust it at all.
Look at this thing.
It's an old radio.
Radio. What is this doing here even? Looks like people are trying to steal the copper, I think. Maybe like the copper wiring or whatever.
Yeah, bro.
A lot of these rooms have been gutted out.
Refuse to burgle the shirts.
Insulation.
Worth the drive.
Yeah, it's just... insulation looks so weird this way, don't you think?
I think it looks tasty.
It looks like a toxic mold that's growing.
I mean, that's pretty much what it is.
Yeah.
There was a door. Ooh, elevator.
I don't think it's working.
How do you know? How would you know? We haven't tried it yet. I think we found a more reliable staircase.
There's even more crap here.
So out of place with all of these.
So, okay, someone actually lives here, because
Brett,
this bread right here,
someone is.
this expired sell by December 16th, 2025.
That's
Nah.
actually kind of recent.
Pizzas.
Actually pretty recent.
Yeah, we're in a homeless camp. Just be really careful. There's an unwrapped toothbrush. But I'm gonna be very serious, Greg. Greg, just watch your step because there could be just a needle anywhere.
Oh, dude. That might have been the footsteps we saw outside. Someone might really be living here right now.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. This is like a little cubby hole.
Yeah. Someone
Cigarettes.
something here.
I don't see any needles yet. But someone definitely lived here. They have a nice bed sheet.
Yeah, someone's putting something together.
It's like a little fort, you know? Like a kid might make. Yeah, I'm gonna leave his stuff alone. Because obviously, he's probably in a desperate situation right now. I pray he won't be in here forever.
We wanted to explore more than the basement because we really needed to justify the gas money we spent, even if it meant risking our lives. Greg could point out how sketchy those stairs were.
You look like you're really trusting those sketchy stairs there.
Yeah, I am.
I can tell you what you need. Wow.
These stairs, obviously, you can't trust.
They look alright to me. Watch your step, because all this floor is wood.
Alright. It's just an older building.
Yeah, that's what. It's an older building, everything is wet. Whoa, what's up those? That staircase. I mean, we can use it, but we can lift ourselves up there. Or maybe not. What do you think?
That did not feel stable, but toilets.
If we can get into the next area over there,
Yeah.
check out that next area over there. It looks pretty interesting. I wouldn't go that way.
I don't know how far we want to go this way because obviously,
Everything's falling down.
yeah, the floor is falling apart.
Yeah. Don't want to fall on top of the homeless guy's shelter down there.
No, we don't.
Watch yourself for pipe holes. There's a boat. And a buoy. Why do there seem to be boats everywhere we go? They're always in the most odd places. Subway tunnels,
How do they get here? That's my question.
second floors of like apartment complexes or whatever this building is.
It's basically like a 4 or 5 foot drop. Come on, David. Alright. I actually trust this wooden board here.
This is sketchy. This is really sketchy. Whoa.
Got it. 1 foot.
Look at all these tubes. Look at all these toilets. I could have waited to pee. I could have peed here. Didn't have to stop at the rest stop. You know, we found the door, but there is a surprising lack of tires.
This might be the only building I've yet to find a single tire.
Dude,
Another one. Oh my god. How do people live with this much garbage around them?
That's not okay. This is another staircase up to the next floor. Storage room. How are the stairs? You want to try? Yeah? Dude, we could actually use the door if we wanted.
Not this one. I don't know if we can trust these stairs, Greg.
No, don't. Those are all.
Yeah, I know.
Those are all off.
Okay.
Gone.
Greg, I think there's a lot of parts of this building we're just not going to be able to get to.
I think so.
That's a disappointment.
Darn it! There are a lot of places. What was this building?
I don't know. Stephen Burrows would be able to tell us. That's what I'm saying. Like, there's entire stories to this building that are just uncrossable because we just can't get up there. But like, look at this.
Part of me really wants to try to climb that stadium, but
Yeah, it's not a good idea.
Unfortunately, this is where our adventure had to end. Sometimes a good adventure isn't worth the risk, which sounds really lame. But still, I think Greg and I managed to have a good time. In the end, that's all that matters. Thank you for watching.